Okay, welcome to video number 2. So in this lesson, we are going to discuss how to write an equation for a line of best fit so that we can make predictions about the situation we have at hand. So in this line of best fit that we have already been given, it says Sydney is selling his comic book collection on the internet. The scatter plot shows how many comic books he has left at the end of each day. So our days is on our x-axis, our comic books left are on the y-axis. So let's just take a quick look and make sure we understand what this means. So using my line of best fit to make a prediction, I can see that at 7 days, he has 20 comic books left. I can see that at 3 days, he has 60 comic books left. Now, this is a negative association. Number one, because we have a negative slope, but because as our days increase, so as we go up in number of days, these comic books that this person has are decreasing. So this person is getting rid of comic books. So as our x increases, our y value goes down. So this is a negative association. Now, let's go ahead and write an equation so that we can understand how we can make predictions based off of this data that we have. So the first thing I need to think about is my equation for a line. Now, I know that to write an equation for a line, I need to have two things, and this is something we've spent a lot of time on this year. I need to have my slope, which is my m, my rate of change, my slope, which is m, x. My x is going to be representative of my days, plus where I begin. So that's my y-intercept. That is where I begin. That's where I start on my y-axis. So let's go ahead and discover these parts so that we can write an equation to use to make predictions. So I know that my b, she begins at 0.